What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best 4-inch car speaker on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is DS18 SQ4 car speaker. The DS18 SQ4 coaxial speakers deliver powerful and clear sound for vehicles, enhancing audio quality with a sleek and compact design. With a maximum power output of 260 watts, these speakers provide strong bass response and a full range of frequencies for an immersive listening experience. Designed for versatility, these 4-inch speakers fit most cars, trucks, and sport utility vehicles, making them a great option for upgrading factory audio systems. The two-way design includes a built-in tweeter that enhances high frequencies, ensuring balanced and detailed sound reproduction. Constructed with high-quality materials, these speakers feature a fiberglass cone and a rubber surround for durability and performance. A strong strontium magnet and a 3 ohm impedance contribute to efficient power handling and improved audio clarity. The voice coil and neodymium magnet further enhance sound precision, delivering crisp highs and deep lows. With a frequency response ranging from 115 Hz to 22,000 Hz and a sensitivity of 85 decibels, these speakers provide consistent and dynamic sound. Whether listening to music, podcasts, or radio, the detailed audio output ensures an enjoyable in-car entertainment experience. The stylish chrome finish adds a modern touch to any vehicle interior while maintaining durability. These speakers are designed to handle daily use without compromising sound quality. A manufacturer's limited warranty offers additional peace of mind, ensuring reliability and long-lasting performance. Ideal for those looking to enhance their vehicle's audio system, these speakers deliver impressive sound with a combination of power, clarity, and durability. In our list, the number 4 product name is AudioControl PNW Series car speakers. The AudioControl PNW Series coaxial speakers offer high-fidelity sound for vehicles, delivering clear and dynamic audio performance. Designed with high-quality components, these 4-inch speakers provide a premium listening experience with balanced sound across all frequencies. With a maximum output power of 100 watts and an efficient power handling of 50 watts root mean square and 75 watts peak, these speakers ensure distortion-free sound at any volume level. The two-way design integrates a woofer and tweeter, creating a well-rounded audio experience with deep bass and crisp highs. A wide frequency range from 75 Hz to 20,000 Hz allows for rich sound reproduction, making every note and beat more immersive. Built for durability, these speakers feature a strong steel frame that resists vibrations and ensures long-lasting performance. The removable grille protects the speaker components while maintaining a sleek look in any vehicle interior. Included mounting hardware allows for easy installation, making them a great choice for those upgrading their car audio system. The 3 ohm impedance enhances efficiency, allowing these speakers to work seamlessly with most factory or aftermarket sound systems. Whether listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks, These speakers provide clarity and depth, ensuring an enjoyable experience during every drive. With a standard size that fits most vehicles, these speakers are designed for easy integration into existing setups. A durable build combined with high-fidelity sound makes them an excellent upgrade for those looking to enhance their in-car entertainment system with powerful and precise audio performance. In our list, the number 3 product name is JVC 4-inch Coaxial Car Stereo Speakers. The JVC CSJ420X Coaxial Car Speakers deliver clear and powerful audio with a well-balanced sound profile. Designed for those who want to enhance their in-car listening experience, these speakers provide a dynamic stereo output that brings music to life. With a maximum output power of 210 watts and a root mean square power of 21 watts, these speakers ensure a strong and consistent sound performance. The wide frequency range from 45 Hz to 22,000 Hz allows for deep bass, rich mid-range, and crisp highs, ensuring every detail of the audio is well reproduced. A sensitivity rating of 90 decibels per watt per meter helps in achieving louder sound output with minimal distortion. The cone woofer is constructed with a shiny composite fiber material, offering durability and excellent sound projection. The balanced polyurethane foam imid dome tweeter enhances high frequencies for clear and detailed audio. The ferrite magnet in the woofer and the neodymium magnet in the tweeter work together to improve efficiency and overall sound clarity. A hybrid surround design enhances flexibility and durability, ensuring the speakers perform well over time. The compact size and a mounting depth of 17 mm make installation easy in most vehicles without requiring modifications. Each set includes mounting hardware and speaker cables, making setup simple for those looking to upgrade their existing car audio system. These speakers provide an improved listening experience with high-quality sound, making every drive more enjoyable with deep bass and crisp audio output. In our list, the number 2 product name is NVX NSP4 4-inch car speakers. The NVX NSP4 N-Series coaxial car speakers offer a high-quality listening experience with clear and dynamic sound. Designed for those who want an audio upgrade, these speakers enhance music playback with rich details and balanced tones. With a peak power of 300 watts per pair and a root mean square power of 100 watts per pair, these speakers deliver strong and consistent sound output. The wide frequency response ranging from 94 Hz to 20,000 Hz ensures deep bass, smooth mid-range, and crisp highs. A sensitivity rating of 86 decibels allows for efficient power handling, reducing distortion at higher volumes. Built with a polypropylene cone material, these speakers provide durability while maintaining high-quality sound. The nitrobutadiene rubber surround enhances flexibility and helps improve sound performance. Silk dome tweeters contribute to smooth and detailed high frequencies, making every note sound precise. With a top mount depth of 1.88 inches and cutout dimensions of 3.66 inches, these speakers fit into a variety of vehicles. The coaxial design ensures easy installation without requiring extra modifications. These speakers offer a surround audio output mode, creating an immersive sound experience inside the vehicle. The built-in crossover system helps distribute frequencies efficiently, improving overall sound clarity. Whether listening to music or spoken content, the speakers produce a well-balanced soundstage. These speakers are designed for long-term use while maintaining excellent performance. Their durable construction, balanced sound output, and easy installation make them a great option for improving in-car audio quality. In our list, the number 1 product name is DS18 PRO Speakers for car. The NVX NSP4 N-Series coaxial car speakers offer a high-quality listening experience with clear and dynamic sound. Designed for those who want an audio upgrade, these speakers enhance music playback with rich details and balanced tones. The DS18 PRO X 4.4 BM mid-range loudspeaker delivers clear and powerful sound for car or truck audio systems. Designed to enhance vocal and instrumental playback, this speaker provides balanced audio performance across a wide frequency range. With a maximum output power of 200 watts and a root mean square power of 100 watts at 4 ohms, this speaker ensures consistent and dynamic sound. The high-temperature copper-clad aluminum wire voice coil maintains durability and stability, even under high power levels. This feature helps extend the lifespan of the speaker while maintaining sound quality. A specially designed aluminum bullet dust cover protects the internal components and contributes to optimal performance. The combination of a steel frame and paper cone offers a lightweight yet durable construction that enhances sound clarity. The mid-range design allows the speaker to handle both vocals and instrumentals with precision, making it a great addition to any vehicle's audio system. Designed for easy car mount installation, this speaker is compatible with various vehicles. Whether upgrading an existing system or replacing stock speakers, it enhances overall sound performance without the need for complex modifications. By integrating this speaker into an audio system, users can experience an improved listening experience with clear vocals and crisp instrumentals. The ability to handle high power levels ensures that the speaker maintains consistent performance over time. The durable construction combined with a powerful audio output makes this speaker a solid choice for those looking to improve their in-car sound system.